Ka National People's Party NPP kalalek banyak kendo ya ka menteri katnat kampu iyeng ka Kong Roshan Wajri men ha ka arp santrik nailar ban dawana ka hakabay day ban penbiang ya kibor pahara ha keleng ki district jong ka Rilom Garo nakabanta ban penkre ya ka election MDC jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC khnang ban wanra ya ka Songsuk Songsang ha ka jila. Habis keren berkilat patai kubur Working President ke NPP Konrad Sangmau layat hu bahar kajing keren bat ke menteri kala penpau bah di sistem bah ke ANVC kala dep bani soy sekolah bani keren esok kini kita khot kita syak pendik haki pulit nalor kini ula ong bakat haduk mentah kita khot jong kini keseng kempat shim layo setia ya kesong jingerap kapalak kular da ke sorkar jela. Nalor kini Konrad ula dawa na ke sorkar bakadai ban pa wan pai no ya baru ki pulit jong ka 5th Battalion jong ka Meghalaya Police kibala ai ke jing sakri la palat ars nem tam Hanong ba Delhi. Uni no ilam ke NPP ula kenturu ya ke sorkar ba kamdei ban penstom ben ya ki brio ki balui kam tam e ha kapor ba ki pulit ki pelong ya ka jing khenra ha keleng ki benta jong ka Rilom Garo.
First issue that we took up was regarding the district council elections that's coming up. We are concerned about the law and order situation and how free and fair election can be had. So we have requested the Home Minister that extra security and all measures required to make sure that free and fair elections are held should be taken up. So Minister has assured us that they will take all necessary steps and measures to ensure that free and fair elections are held. Second issue was regarding the ANVC agreement and the peace pact that was signed 1 year back. And we as a political party and at the same time as leaders from Garo Hills, we are concerned that the agreement has not been implemented. And in the sense that a lot of aspects of rehabilitation packages, a lot of aspects of employment generation, even the stipends have not been given to the cadres. At the same time, a lot of cadres are being harassed by the police, which again was mentioned by the agreement that was there. It was mentioned that the cadres will not be, will not be harassed, and if there are charges and all, as far as possible, they'll try to remove them. But the cadres are being harassed even now. So I think all these factors are not going to, have good impact in the long run. And we urge the Home Minister that if she could look into this aspect and ensure that all the all the terms and conditions are implemented in full letter and spirit, in the sense that jobs should be given, the rehabilitation packages should be given. So this is what we demanded from the government side. The point number 3 we put up was regarding the 5th Battalion. Some of the constables have been working in Delhi for the past 2.5 years, have completed their term. So we have requested that all the constables and all the officials who have completed their 2 years term, they should be brought back. The conditions in Delhi are not very, comfortable and not very good. So they do suffer. So I think 2.5 years is a long time, and the term, the 2 years posting that is there is over. So all those who have finished it, we have requested if they can be brought back to the state again. Fourth point we mentioned to the Honourable Minister was regarding the overall nature of operations that is taking place in Garo Hills. And we were concerned that yes, the police personnel also go through a lot of difficulty. It's not easy for them to, to work in the forest, comb the combing operations that are taking place. It's not easy. We understand the difficulties that the police personnel face. But what happens is that in the whole process, when they are also frustrated, they're also tired, they ultimately end up taking their anger out at common people, at the villagers, as innocent people. And I think somewhere we need to figure out how we could stop that, because that does not help in solving the problem. It only makes the situation even more worse, and people are getting frustrated. A lot of youth who were actually innocent, who were picked up, beaten up, tortured, and put in Thana for months and months. What do? Ultimately, they get angry and they join the organization. So this is counterproductive for us. So we requested that if some kind of a training, can be done for the police personnel, and some kind of a counseling can be given on how to handle these situations, I think overall operations would become much more successful, and you would find more cooperation from the villagers also. So these are the few points that we mentioned, and there were some other small issues which we had mentioned, but I think that is more at a individual level. But at the state level, I think these were the few points that we had mentioned. The Honorable Home Minister only mentioned that they are going to meet again on 27th. I think it is tomorrow. They are having a meeting again to review the whole situation. She could not give us any time frame, and I think it is difficult to say specifically that there is a time frame. But 1 year has passed, and this is what our concern is. So a year is a long time, and it's not about we, but it is about the cadres who are for 1 year who have been just sitting like this. And I think if we delay too long, we don't know what kind of reactions and we don't know what kind of thoughts might come in their mind. So I think it is important that we do it ASAP, as soon as possible. So they could not give a time frame, but we have demanded that it should be done as soon as possible.